Hello, my name is Anna Marie McKellips, and I will be discussing the comparison of energy conservation versus carbon capture technologies. Prioritizing increased energy efficiency and transitioning to renewable energy sources is a more cost effective and cost efficient approach toward net zero emissions goals. Why energy efficiency and renewable energy sources are preferred. Cost effectiveness. Renewable energy sources like wind and solar have become increasingly cost competitive with fossil fuels, and energy efficiency measures offer significant savings in the long run. Reduced emissions. Replacing fossil fuels with renewables and improving energy efficiency directly reduces greenhouse gas emissions, the primary driver of climate change. Improving air quality, transitioning to renewables, and reducing reliance on fossil fuels also leads to cleaner air, benefiting public health. Energy security, diversifying energy sources and reducing reliance on fossil fuels enhances security and reduces vulnerability to geopolitical instability. Technological advancements. Continued investment in renewable energy technologies and energy efficiency measures drives innovation and creates new economic opportunities. Reduced reliance on fossil fuels, focusing on renewable energy sources and energy efficiency is a more direct approach to phasing out fossil fuels, which are the primary source of greenhouse gas emissions. Carbon capture requires a tremendous amount of energy from heating and cooling processes to successfully capture emissions. This is a serious impediment to the implementation of net zero goals. If the objective is to decrease emissions, but in the process of capturing CO2 emissions is also energy extensive, it may be counterintuitive if the back end of the processes are also as energy inefficient. Why carbon capture technologies are less efficient. The high cost and energy intensity. Carbon capture technologies, particularly carbon capture and storage (CCS), can be expensive and energy intensive, potentially offsetting some of the benefits. Unproven long term effectiveness. CCS technologies are still relatively new and have not been fully tested and proven on a scalable size. Potential for leaks. There are concerns about the long-term storage of captured carbon dioxide and potential for leaks, which could also negate the benefits of the technology if the CO2 is not able to be stored properly and will just be released into the atmosphere anyhow. Focusing on the symptom and not the cause. CCS technologies address the emissions from existing fossil fuel infrastructure rather than eliminating the need for it, which is a more fundamental approach. Opportunity costs. Investing in CCS diverts resources from more effective and cost efficient solutions like renewable energy and energy efficiency. In conclusion, while carbon capture technologies may have a role to play in the future, they should not be the primary focus of addressing climate change. Prioritizing energy efficiency and transitioning to renewable energy sources is a much more cost effective, cost efficient, and sustainable approach. Thank you for listening to my presentation.